You're gonna get some cakey cake. You're gonna get some cakey cakey.
Say cheese.
Okay, here we go.
Say mama.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Ryder. Happy birthday to you.
Go ahead and wish, wish.
That's my monkeys.
Yay!
Caught your hand, Katie.
Look at that boy.
Dig in, girl boy. Dig in. Mmm.
You tell Mama?
He says, I don't like the texture of this.
There's stuff on there.
Put it in his mouth. He'll eat it.
He'll get there.
He's gonna get one of those little
Take
things.
Those little pieces.
Yeah, he'll pick up the little. Look at that. Oh yeah, there you go.
Ryder. It's like, what is this?
What's in there, baby?
He's hiding his hand because it's all.
You want to taste it? Here, put some in your mouth. Look. Look, Mama's going to taste. Look, look. Look, Ryder. Look. Look, Mama's tasting.
Funny, isn't it?
What's in there? What's in there?
Oh my. It's brown.
Oh boy.
I think
chocolate.
I think I broke it.
Chocolate.
Yeah.
Still has yet to eat any.
Taste it. Taste it.
Here, look. No, no, Mama. No, Mama.
He's like, no, it's a toy.
Get here. Start taking some of it off his hand, so that he can.
Here.
Oh my God.
There you go. He's like,
Mmm.
he's never gonna. He spits it out like, no, I'm just gonna play with it.
It's your baby. It's your.
It's your cake. You can do whatever you want. And he's doing it too.
Mm-hmm.
It's like they never let me play with this food.
Ryder, is that funny,
Wait till he
baby?
puts his hand in his hair.
Uh-huh.
Oh God.
What an incredible Hulk hand.
That is just
Hulk
funny.
smash.
Hulk smash cake.
Just think what he's going to do with Play-Doh.
Yep, that's why we're not having any for a long time. Here, let Mama taste your cake. You see.
Were you one of those kids that called Play-Doh Clay-Doh?
Mmm.
No.
I just
Oh.
Just try and drop it off the side.
kids at school that called it that. I don't know why.
Let's see, how bad is it?
This is pretty
You like the brownie?
Yum, yum,
You
yum.
like brownies.
Don't throw it.
I hope you don't throw it.
Right there. He's like, well, but it's my
That's why I got the
cake.
sheet on the floor.
And you said.
Here, let me see your hand. We'll start with a fresh, clean hand. Fresh, clean hand. He's like, no, I don't want clean
As clean
hands.
as you can get it anyway. Just still a fresh green hand.
Instead of blue.
Look, look.
I should have gotten the blue so we could say that you're turning violet, Violet from Willy Wonka. I'm gonna have a taste. Look.
What's another word for green? Fuchsia?
No, that's
No.
purple.
No. What's the teal?
The cake's not bad.
Blue. You sure you don't want a little bite?
I didn't have my camera on.
I got it on video. It's
Ryder,
even
look up,
better.
look up so Willie Duck can take your picture.
Ryder.
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 Ryder. Ryder.
That's awesome.
It's like a brown booger.
He's beginning to eat some of it now.
He's like, okay, well, it's not so bad, I guess.
What are you going to do now, huh? Is it good? Yummy.
Well, I was going to turn it so you can look at the side, but I think there's too much there.
He doesn't care. He's happy the way it is.
Yay, missed you.
Ryder.
Don't tell him to do that, Kay.
Good for your tummy. Mm-mm.
Yeah, he's probably not going to feel really well later. I've already been turbo puked on several times. It would be the first.
Woo! Good, isn't it?
You decided you like it? Oh, that's beautiful.
Mum.
Ryder. Let Dada see your face. Beep beep.
That's your birthday cake. That's 'cause you're 1 year old today, Pumpkin.
Happy birthday, Mr. Me.
Oh,
You missed it.
maybe he'll do it again.
Is your other hand glued to the tray?
I think it is.
Is it frosted to the tray?
It's stuck.
Are you eating the cake? You got it on your belly. You got it on your belly.